Hey guys, finally, Canva has introduced this feature, which I honestly was waiting I don't know how many years for. How to have multiple formats of the same campaign, of the same design within a single design file in Canva. This is amazing. So, you can have your Instagram post and LinkedIn carousel and Canva doc and whiteboard all in the same file if it has the same kind of design or even not. Like if it's within the same campaign and you want to put everything in one file, that is possible. Imagine for so long we wanted this feature and it was not there. And now, as you may know, there was Canva Create 25 recently and they just dropped this feature and I'm so super excited. All right, let's get into it. Let's say I have this file. So you can already see that I have the same design for multiple pages, and you see there's a banner and there is a, more of a horizontal format. There's a square, there's a vertical here somewhere. So all of these are different sizes and they're all in the same file. That is super cool, right? And how do you do that? So there are two options of how to do it. One is if you have Canva Pro and the other is, if you don't have Canva Pro. If you do have Canva Pro, it just takes one click to repurpose your design. So all you have to do is you click on the design on the page that you want. Like I'm clicking on this one right now. You click on it, do resize page, and you choose the size that you want. So this is more horizontal. I can choose any of these sizes from here. I can go to more and I can choose other sizes from here. You can also search for a size over here, like sticker or book cover or whatever. So I'm just going to take a simple one and just to maybe a sticker. And I see how it is resizing the page. And that's it. It's done, right? This is your sticker. And you can also go again. So what it does is it duplicates the page and it's a copy and it's a new size. And then I can make it, maybe I can just do doc and see how that looks. And that's a doc, right? Or you can also do a whiteboard. And now it's a whiteboard design. It is that easy to repurpose and to change your design. That is if you have Canva Pro. If you want to try it out and you don't have Canva Pro, there's a link in the description. Just go ahead and try it out. You can also put it in your browser, of course. So what do you do if you don't have Canva Pro? So all you need to do is then click on this button over here, the plus sign. And if you want to see it in this view, you can also see it. So let me go back to this one, easier. And then you can just do, let's say, add page over here. And instead of just add page, there is a down arrow over here. So just click on that. And you can click on social media, for example. And you can do, let's do a Facebook ad. And now it does the size. Now you have to copy paste a design from here and put it over here. So then just realign the design as you want. But basically, it just creates a new page. It does not duplicate and resize it. Just like we had before, if you wanted to do your design in a new page, if you had Canva Pro, you clicked on resize over here, and you could copy and resize, in a new file or just resize the existing design. Except here, it's now within the same file. Once again, if you want to resize in one click, you will have to get Canva Pro. If you want to try it out, there's a link in the description. But if you are just going to keep to the free version, then you will just have to copy and them all differently, but you can still stay within the same format. I'm loving how Canva has made it so easy to repurpose your design and keep all your whole campaign management in the same folder. So watch the space because I'm going to share more updates of things that used to be complicated before has become so much simpler with the new features that Canva dropped in Canva Create. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.